Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kim. Today I want to talk about how you use numbers to plot I-Ching. Okay, in the past I've taught you how to use the traditional method, which is the 3 coins. Okay, so today I want to teach you how to use numbers. Why I want to teach you how to use numbers? Because some of you have actually wrote to me as teacher, it's quite inconvenient to use the 3 coins at public places to plot the divination. Okay, so for I-Ching you can also use numbers, and there are a few methods to use numbers to plot. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a single digit number to plot I-Ching. There's an example here. Okay, it says that for example, let's say you saw 3 children playing at the playground at 10 a.m. Okay, and you decided to use 3 as your I-Ching divination to ask your question. So what do? You use the single digit 3 as your upper triangle. Okay, upper triangle you use 3. And then the time chart, 10 a.m., right? You can use 10 a.m. as the lower triangle. Now, triangle, we know there are 8 triangles. Okay, so for hours, there are like 12 Chinese characters for the timing. Okay, every 2 hours, there's an animal zodiac to represent the timing. Okay, so you can actually refer to this chart. You can take a snapshot of this chart. Okay, so for this timing, right, for example, 11 night, 11 p.m. to like almost like 12, almost 1 a.m. Okay, which is 12:59 a.m. Okay, 11 to 1 a.m. is 子时, right? So for 子时, you can use 1 to represent the lower triangle. Okay, so total there are 8 triangles. So when you reach Wei, which is the goat hour, right, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m., right, the sun hours 3 to 5 p.m. you have to use 1, and then for you have 5 to 7 p.m. you use 2. Okay, for 戌时 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. you use 3, and 亥时 9 to 11 you use 4. Okay, then you go back. Okay, so for the upper triangle will be your single digit. You solve 3 children. Okay, so for the lower, if it's 10 a.m., we will look for 10 a.m. Okay, 10 a.m. is here. So the lower triangle will be 6. Okay, then what do? So you combine, right? So you combine the upper triangle 3 and the lower triangle 6. You will have your hexagram. Okay, then you can search for your hexagram. You can look for this book, okay, and you have flip and look for your hexagram. Okay, and look for the interpretation of the hexagram. 6, this is hexagram 6. Okay, and this is hexagram 3. So this will be the upper triangle, this will be the lower triangle. Hexagram found is 64. Okay, so it's hexagram 64. So you look for hexagram 64. Okay, so how do you look for hexagram 64? Okay, you can flip to the content page. Alright, then you look for hexagram 64. Okay, you look for hexagram 64 over here. And look for the interpretation. This will describe your current situation. Current situation means what is at the moment, what are you going through. Okay, then next you need to plot the changing line. So the first reading here will tell you how currently things are. Okay, so the second reading will tell you how they will be after the period of change. How do you look for the changing line? What you do is you add up the upper triangle 3, then the lower triangle 6. Add these 2 up, then you divide by 6. Okay, so what do you do here? 3 plus 6, so you get 9, right? Then you divide by 6. Okay, and the remainder 3. So line number 3, the 64 hexagram, the third line bottoms up. Okay, refer to my previous video if you don't understand. Okay, we always plot from below up. Okay, so the first line is always the bottom last line. So line 3 of hexagram is the changing line. Remember to reverse the changing line. Okay, that means 64 was the first trigram, the original trigram. Okay, before completion. So this is the interpretation. This is your current situation. So what you do is line 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the in line will change to the yang line. That is the changing line. Okay, then your second reading, trace your second reading. Okay, so for this case will be hexagram 50. Okay, look at here. This is the changing line. From yin becomes yang. So first line, second line, the third line is yin becomes yang. Okay, so we can see is hexagram 50, 50. 50 is your changing line, the second hexagram. Second hexagram tells you the outcome. Okay, so first hexagram will tell you the current situation. After you plot the changing line, you will know what is the outcome of your decision. Okay, I hope you liked today's video. Remember to subscribe. The next video, I'll be teaching you the second method on how to plot I-Ching with numbers. Okay, and this time I'll be teaching you how to plot with more than one number. Okay, hope you enjoy the